Welcome to today's daily message. In the opening prayer for today's reflection, we hear about purification. And when I hear that word purification, what I think about is letting go. For me, purification is a process in which I identify those aspects of myself that are not healthy for me, that are not healthy for the people around me. And purification involves being willing and able to let those things go. Sometimes we need to be purified of habits that we have taken part in for years. And yet, that's what purification requires of us. It's a process of saying to ourselves and saying to those around us, I have been doing this thing which is not good for me and not good for us. And now I want to let it go so that I can become an even better and clearer reflection of God's glory and God's love in the world. Thank you for watching today's daily message. I hope you have a good weekend, and I hope you join us again next week as we enter into the third week of Lent.